2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 Evolution. It's powered by a DD15 475 horsepower engine. It's a DT12 Automatic Transmission. It's brand new Yokohama tires. Have a 228 wheelbase with a 308 rear axle ratio. Comfort Pro Carrier APU. This truck is $39,950. All trucks at Dodge Truck Center have a 150-point courtesy inspection that includes a DOT. We also professionally detail. Give Jacob a call at Dodge Truck Center, 901-581-6871. Interior of the 2018 Freightliner Cascadia. Gray leather legacy seats. Plenty of storage in the cab. Moving on to the bunk, we have a double bunk. Plenty of storage with a fridge. Nice wood grain trim. And your APU control panel.